Hi everybody, in this episode of VM-in5, let's talk about VMware NSX Cloud. VMware NSX Cloud delivers networking and security for your applications running natively in public clouds. And when you combine it with NSX Data Center, NSX Cloud gives you a software-defined approach to networking that extends across data centers, clouds, endpoints, and even IoT devices. And this creates a single networking and security solution from the private data center to the public cloud. There are so many features of NSX Cloud, way too many to cover in 5 minutes time. So let's just review a few of the key ones. Micro-segmentation. That's the term we hear a lot that provides control over east-west traffic. NSX Cloud enables micro-segmentation between application workloads running natively in public clouds. Security groups and rules can be defined on policy constructs such as an AMI ID, OS type, or your tags that make the most sense for your organization. This allows security policies to be automatically applied and enforced based on those tags, and the policies automatically follow the instance when they move within and across clouds. NSX Cloud has a distributed firewall architecture that eliminates additional network hops and traffic because policies are enforced at the virtual network interface of each instance, rather than routing through an external firewall. NSX Cloud also provides stateful firewalling that filters north-south traffic flowing between instances and virtual networks and the public internet. For a complete list of features, I've added a link in the show notes. So the question is, how do you know if NSX Cloud is the right fit? Let's go over some common use cases. The first is consistent security across clouds. NSX Cloud enables policy across workloads running across multiple public clouds, and because NSX Cloud leverages the same control and data plane as NSX Data Center, you get end-to-end policy management. You define your policy once and apply it to workloads anywhere. Cloud virtual networks, regions, availability zones, even multiple cloud providers. The next use case is the need for precise control over cloud networking. NSX Cloud is designed for native public cloud environments like Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure. And you don't have to give up the services that these public clouds provide. NSX Cloud is designed to work with existing infrastructure and application services like load balancing, DNS, and even database services. And lastly, as you would expect, NSX Cloud provides end-to-end operational control and visibility. NSX Cloud takes advantage of standard interfaces and protocols to access the network and security data from public cloud networks, and you have granular visibility of public cloud workloads across all Amazon VPCs and Azure VNets. And this gives you the ability to easily manage those workloads. If you are one of my more technically inclined viewers and you want to get some hands-on with NSX Cloud, jump on over to VMware Hands-On Labs and do the NSX Cloud Getting Started Lab. Hands-on labs are a great way to get acquainted with VMware products, and they are all free. If you want to learn more about NSX Cloud or review anything that I've covered today in this episode, check out the show notes or send me or the show a tweet. That's it for this episode on NSX Cloud. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on VM-in5.